In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your PS5 games not loading from PlayStation Store. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, all you really want to do is there's actually a few things. The first thing you want to do is go over to the top where it says settings, then just go to storage. Firstly, you want to make sure that your console has enough storage for whatever game you're downloading. For example, if your console has 100 gigabytes left, but the game you're trying to download has like 130 gigabytes, that might be why, because you have insufficient storage. So what you can do is go to games and apps and go ahead and uninstall anything that you don't play or you're not interested in. Then once you do that, it's going to free up a lot of space on your PlayStation. Then what you want to do after that is, once you're still in settings, go to network, then go to settings, make sure connect to the internet is on. Go ahead and set up your internet connection. Make sure you're on wired LAN if you're able to use an Ethernet, but if you're not, go to your Wi-Fi, press the options button, then go to advanced settings. Then from here, scroll down to DNS settings, switch it from automatic to manual, and then what you want to do is change your primary DNS to 8888 and your secondary DNS to 8844. This is going to connect you to Google's DNS server, which should make things a lot more stable for your internet, because your internet connectivity might be a reason why your PlayStation game isn't downloading. Another thing you can also do is just go out of your PlayStation and then just go over to your browser of choice. So I'm going to be using Google Chrome for this, and then just type in PSN network status. Once you type that in, just go to PSN service status and make sure this is all good, because if there's an issue with PlayStation themselves and PlayStation Network, that could be why your games aren't downloading.